Hey everyone, this is Danielle with sugaringLA, and today I'm going to show you how to sugar your upper lip. So I'm going to make sure I cleansed my skin. I have no lotion or oil on, and clean, dry skin is very important. I'm going to grab my little stick and my sugar paste, just a little bit, almost like a little candy size. Okay, and here we go. We're gonna hold the skin taut, and we're gonna start on the edge here. And we're really gonna mold it in nicely. And really make sure we get the hair into the sugar paste we're molding on against the hair growth. Come to the end, set your stick to the side. I have a couple different size cottons. I got a really small one and I got a little bit bigger one. I'm gonna hold it up and see which one is gonna be more ideal. I'm thinking the little one is. Okay, and in the same way I applied the sugar paste, I'm gonna apply the cotton. I'm gonna hold my lip tight like this. Grab the edge and remove. And then you can see all my little hairs. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You can use the same piece, or you can get a stick you just used and another piece of cotton and go right on the other side. I'm just gonna lay this one down because it's already on here. It's pretty fun like this. And I'm gonna rub, rub, rub. Really get that hair in there. I'm gonna come to the edge and I'm gonna pull. And if you see you have little hair still, you can literally just go right back over and pull. And sometimes right here, the hairs kind of grow up and down. You can just rub, 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 and pull. Bam, no more mustache. So after you're done, you wanna get a little wet cloth and remove any sticky residue. And then I'm gonna use my Sunshine Skin Toner. It's going to help close the pore, it's calming to the skin, it helps reduce the redness. This stuff's great and it smells great. So now you guys know how to sugar your upper lip with our sugaringLA at home kit. All right, thanks, stay tuned for more videos, bye-bye.